Namaste. I am Vishnupriya H. Bhatt from Chennai. This is the month of Margazhi. In this month, we will celebrate Margazhi Mahotsavam through reciting each Tirupavai Pasuram for each days. Today is the 20th day of Margazhi month. I am going to recite 28th Tirupavai Pasuram Karavaigal Pin Sendru in Ragam Kamboji, which is set to Adithalam. Karavaigal Pin Sendru Kanam Shendum Pom Karavaigal Pin Shendru Kanam Shendum Pom Arivondrumillada Aikulatun Tanne Piravi Perum Dane Punniyam Yamadaivo Kuraivondrumillada Govinda Undannode Uravil Namakinge Urika Uriyada Ariyada Pillaigalum Anbinalum Tannai Shirapiralai Tanavum Shiri Arulade Iraivani Tarai Parayilurim Pavai Thank you.